Let's begin the job. Going upstairs. Finally upstairs. Going to the bathroom. Here's the bathroom.
Today we're going to change this out.
He's starting to disconnect the plumbing fixtures. He had to get a different tool. This one was a little harder to disconnect, but my father could still get the job done. My dad is removing the shower head. This one was easier than the previous one. Good job. He's cutting the dryer off. He's removing the ceramic tiles. There we go. Oh my goodness, this is a big piece. We finally got it off.